Welcome back to Fresh Fishing and welcome to the Welham Lake 48-hour social.
As you'll see in the vlog, I was supposed to be there with the boys, but I fell ill and I was pretty bad, so unfortunately you'll have to put up with Foxy.
Yeah, but not just me. As it was a social, I ended up fishing the weekend with Dino and Millie, Dan, who's been on the Wainstones video, and Sean, who ended up being a top chef. Enjoy the vlog. So I'm busy setting up, managed to get a couple of rods in. Dan's got one over there which you're going to be able to look at. My middle rod, which was over to this island here, it's just gone off and we've got a little tension there. So we'll have a look at that in a sec, but let's go have a look at Dan's fish. We're waiting for Wayne to join us still. 15.7 at the minute.
What did I say?
15.7.
I said 15.8, didn't I?
15.7.
Beauty. There you go, first fish of the social. Beauty that. Well done, Dan, mate.
Cheers, Dad.
You blanked last time you was on the channel. Does that feel better?
Yeah, it is. Bit of a weight off the seal, should have this.
There we go. Dame Judy Dench, little tench. Dan's just had that 15 common, and this one's got me up from that. Let's get it back. Right, so I am finally settled. 3 rods in. One up to this little island here. Middle one up to the far margin there where I saw a bosh. And right one, there's some lily pads past the swans over there. Saw another bosh there, so been seeing them. Hopefully I'll be catching them soon. Here's the little setup. If I get into anything, it might not be the best footage because no Wayne at the minute, so it's going to be off the GoPro. But we'll see what we can do. It's a tight little swim, and yeah, let me just flip this round. Our little matey Wayne doesn't know if he's going to be making it today. He was at a wedding last night, and his message before, we knew it was going to be later, but his message before saying it's coming out of both ends at the minute, so poor lad's not feeling too well. He said he might be along later, if not he'll be along tomorrow, so we'll just have to see. But I'm here on a social with Dan, Sean and Dean's going to be following, meeting us later, so I'll introduce you to them guys shortly. But I think now I'm going to have a beer. A little tench. Look at this bad boy. Thanks to Sean. He brought his pizza oven and we're going to have some homemade pizzas tonight.
Hopefully.
Yeah. It could go terribly wrong and we could be ordering a takeaway. But that is going to be bang on if it works, like.
It's a business, that, like, isn't it?
This seems to be the 10th swim. We just had another 2 little runs. Both come off, but both felt very tenchy. And Wayne boy has told me he's not joining us today. Doesn't feel well enough. So we'll see him tomorrow morning, hopefully, if he's feeling better. So you're just going to have to deal with me. Hopefully we can get into some carp, but we'll see.
He's under the line there anyway, Dan. They go a bit, don't they?
They feel any good?
Oh, I hear that one.
I feel like just pinging.
Oh, that one when he gets back round its fin.
That's the worst, isn't it, when you feel it ping off its fin?
Oh, you feel it going, he was going.
Nice little view this side, isn't it? Hookbait's that pink?
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
Raspberry waxy. Oh yeah, bright colours.
She's a bloody beauty, mate. What was it? 12, 8.
12.8.
Not bad, is it? Plenty of commons in this lake.
That doesn't look like a tench. Is it? You're in the back of it. There's not many things on there.
Tiny little mirror. It's kicking off. Don't want to stay still. But mirrors are quite rare at this lake, so first carp, happy with that. Don't know how the hell I'm going to do this in the night. We'll see. Pizza ovens on the go. They're my ingredients. Barbecue chicken and sweet corn. Bosh. Do you want to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Are you ready? You pull that side like that and I'll pull this side.
Pizza making with Sean.
Well, it might look like a pizza. Keep going. There we go.
Whoa, what is that on my finger?
It's just dough.
No, it's mud.
Oh, mud. Just keep
Oh, a
pressing
bit of
it
mud
down.
in the pizza's nice.
Right, now we'll turn it over. Same again. Just keep pushing it outwards like that. Yeah.
It's got a hole
It's
now.
okay, we'll just seal it up like that.
This is the before.
Yeah.
Margarita. Millie's gonna have a margarita.
By myself.
Oh, it's 90 seconds. That there will be beautiful.
Oh, it does look good.
We made that.
You did. This is the creation of Foxy. scream, is it?
That's a decent thing,
The
Chad.
funny
No,
Mirror that.
it is.
10.
Mirror.
Wow,
That's a common.
wow.
How was I only getting those indications from that?
That is so
That's off it,
cool.
that, isn't it?
It must have just been sat there with shit in its head for ages.
That is so cool.
You like that, Mills? Have you get a photo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to say something for YouTube?
Yeah. Oh,
Go on, you want?
slimy.
What we got, Mills? What
Whoa.
we got?
Have we weighed it or?
Whoa.
No, it's
It's slimy.
Probably-
about
10?
10 pounds, yeah.
That's it, haven't you?
Hi. It looks funny.
You love him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get one more with their class pictures on, mate.
You're going to catch
Scream
one
and
tomorrow.
run.
Yeah.
I can only just see the screen, but I've just had a little comment. A little bit of a screamer. Take that before bed. You're in. Right, tucked up in the bivvy. Had a good little social there tonight. A few beers, nice pizza. Lovely lads. But yeah, so far it's been a half decent day. What have I had? 2 tench, 2 carp. Nothing massive yet. Not even a double, but I'm sure the doubles are on their way. Dan's had a couple. Dino's had a couple. Now I think Dino's had one. Sean's yet to get one, but I'm sure that'll happen too. So yeah, Wayne's hopefully going to be joining us in the morning. Hopefully feeling a lot better. And then normal service can resume, and hopefully the filming will be a bit better then as well. Do have to apologise, it's tricky trying to do it on your own, but yeah, gonna get my head down now. It's 11 o'clock, pretty chilly, gotta be honest, it's pretty chilly. This is my first night at the bank in probably since like UK Blanks. Yeah, it will be. So yeah, it's a lot colder than I remember, but I'm doubling up on the sleeping bags because I bought one for France, so why not? So yeah, fingers crossed we get one in the morning. I can't be bothered with one during the night because it's too cold. 20 in the morning would be nice though. So, night peeps. Morning message. Not a single beep through the night. Literally nothing. But I slept well, which is a plus. Although it's very cold. Don't know if you can see, I've got this is my 4-season sleeping bag. This is the 2-season sleeping bag that I bought for France. So I've literally got a sleeping bag inside a sleeping bag. But it was dead warm when I put them together, so it was quite nice. And had a message off Wayne this morning. He isn't going to make it. He's not feeling up to it. He said he feels drained, which is fair enough. Sounds to me like he's had that Novo virus bug or whatever it is. I had it a couple of weeks ago. Not nice, like. I was off work with it for a few days. So it's just going to be me and the boys. Still trying to do a bots later. And yeah, still get a bit of content out and hopefully catch a few fish. Just have to wait a little bit to get another video with my partner in crime. We don't actually know when we're going to be fishing next, but we were talking about booking Tees Valley in November at some point, so see if we can do that. And we are looking at doing a bit of piking, so we'll see. We won't leave you hanging. There'll hopefully be some content coming out, but yeah, for now I'm gonna make a brew, get the rods redone, get changed, brush my teeth, get the day started.
smile for you too. You know?
Oh.
What was it, 18.8?
Yeah.
Why is it broken?
Biggest fish so far.
Yeah.
Rocking.
He's broken, alright. His whole body of him has been full of millibit.
Yeah, he has, like.
That's on.
Is that one on, Dan?
Yeah.
Get her in. You've been a good netsman this weekend so far, haven't you, Sean?
Oh, I'm expert this, mate. Expert. Highly trained netsman.
Come on, you
Do you know what? He might be far away, Dan. Oh, I hate this bit.
The tension's palpable, though.
Liqwyd lock that.
Oh, he's not done yet.
There's
life left in him.
only one the beach, isn't there?
They do like a bit of a scrap, don't they, innit?
Yeah. Shallow water as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it's that shallow, isn't it? Normally, they'd be cruising on in the bottom for ages, but
Yeah.
as soon as you lift the tip, they're straight up, aren't they?
You can't even get the neck deep because it's on the bottom.
Yeah, when I'm sinking my line, your tip touches the bottom straight away.
Get it.
That's the one.
Get it.
Well done, mate.
Cheers, Dale. What was yours, Dino?
18 something.
No, you said 17.
What is it?
1814.
Is it?
Yeah.
1814?
Yeah.
Here, what?
Quality.
Good picture. You ready? Lift it up a bit down because it's over the mat there.
Beauty, that one, Dan. What was it?
1814.
1814. So just short of 19. There we go. Had nothing all morning. And got this lovely common, probably about, I don't know, maybe £8. So they're getting bigger, which is what we want. Dino and Dan have had all the big ones so far, but hopefully they're coming over my side. Just looking for a double next, but that's a welcome bite this morning because it's about 10:30 and that's the first one, so hopefully the first of many. I literally put this over a Bosch and carp, so try and get it back in that spot. I'm not stopping the GoPro for this one, but decent sized little tench. Back off that middle spot. I'm going to keep trying to hit it I've got the this bush here, which is a marker, and it's almost level with this island. Cut a right angle across, smack bang there. Keep heading there, see if we get some runs. But they're weird runs, dropbacks are coming towards us. But it's good, we're getting some fish off there now. Right, well I need to go use the loo, so I need to go across here to the proper one. There is a couple of toilets on here, I'll show you them in a bit, but they're not the best, so I prefer to have a poo in peace. This is the bad boy toilet. Got a poo with the door open. Shower. Does the job like? Does the job. Go on, Shawnee.
There we go, mate. Go on, your ketchup on it, for.
Have you got ketchup?
Certainly have, mate. Staple item, angler. Bacon butter.
This is breakfast / lunch, isn't it? Sean's, I can't even say his name. Sean's joining the party.
Oh, calm.
What's your rods, kid?
Little mirror.
Whoa! What is that?
The mirror.
What's a mirror?
It's a type of carp. There's common and mirror carp.
So
Most
Is
of
it
the ones,
easy to
most of
get
the ones we've had are commons. They've got scales all over.
is it heavy though?
It's a little one, I think.
Is it big?
Heavy for sure.
Little baby.
It's
blank saver though.
You're gonna let it go and get it. Oh, it's tiny.
Just find me moment there, Mill.
Well done, mate.
Oh, thank you.
Beauty, that one.
She's a beauty.
It's gone a bit quiet on the old fishing front for me. Had the common, had the little tench off the same spot. It's gone quiet, so I'm going to redo the rods shortly. Leads are on in a couple of hours, so I'll be watching that. And then later on, we're going to do a bot. We've got a good little beer for to try, and if people fancy it, I'll tell you where you can go out and get it. It's a lovely one. I've had it before, so it's a bit of a cheat, but I know it's a nice beer. Yeah, hopefully we can get to a few more. Kind of my target for this one, if I get into, obviously everything I've had's been quite small, so I'd be happy with a mid-double. 20 would be the icing on the cake. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. I'm going to get the rods replaced, and fingers crossed we can get into one. Still got plenty of time, so yeah, let's see what we can do. Here we go.
It's fine.
You keep reading.
Well done. Did it go right under?
Yeah.
Well done.
Terry, or carps?
No, it looks like a tench.
This is your first ever fish you've caught by yourself?
Yeah.
That's fine. Dad shouldn't fall on bottom.
Yeah, no, it's
Ah.
not actually winding any.
Where is it?
Just there by the float, not too far off.
Right, so when it's pulling like that,
Woo!
so when it's pulling like that, stop railing.
Right, reel a bit.
Oh my
Stop
god.
railing.
Reel a bit. Pull that way. Pull that way.
It's alright.
Keep going. Nearly there.
Well done.
Go on, girl.
You gonna say something?
No.
So
No?
I caught my first tinch.
PB
I caught it
tench.
by myself.
Well done.
Well done.
Right, 3 PM. Time for Leeds. Leeds.
So we're good to go here.
Come on, boys.
And a sunny St Mary's, the referee today.
Just seeing a couple of Bosches out there. up by these lilies, so I've just recast to that spot. Fingers crossed that'll go off. Quick reset. Leeds playing rubbish as per usual this season. This right one, seen a Bosch just past this tree, overhanging tree here, so I took the boat round, pumped it there. Left one, it's gone out past that island, cast it out. Let's see what we can do. Come on, fish. I want a mid double. That little spot change at half time did the trick. Just under this overhanging bush to my right, and I've got this maybe £7-8 mirror, so it's a good little sign. We'll get it back on the spot, hopefully get another one. Nothing doing since that last little carp. Leeds lost, so they can do one. Still in search of a double figure.
Bringing the line to deck at the minute. We're going to deep, isn't we?
Is it even here at the
It might be
back?
20. It
Do you reckon I might be a 20?
might be.
It's a better condition fish all over, isn't it?
Biggest one of the trip so far. 19.5. All the big fish seem to be this side, don't they, lads?
Yeah.
All the fish should be this side.
Big fish tactics.
That's it, really.
Are you going to come help me employ them, yeah?
It was a bots, mate.
Bots. Cheers. Right, welcome to Beer of the Session. I haven't actually introduced everyone, so should we go around the table? We've got the British Carp Cup champions.
Double champion 2019, wasn't it?
Yeah, 2000. It was a carp cup, not the.
So that's why he's been catching all the fish. Dan's been on the channel before. Come to us with to Wainstones with us.
Yeah.
Blanked, but he hasn't this time.
I lost one.
Yeah, he did. He lost one. Sean's the new boy to the channel. He's great netsman.
Decent cook.
Yeah, he is a good cook. Gino DeShorno.
Reasonable photographer.
Yeah, I like with Tench. Just carp don't seem to like me.
Yeah, and so we've got a beer to try, and we were trying to work out how to pronounce this. Or something like that.
I'm glad George you tried first.
It's a beer from Cologne. It's a Kolsch, and it is 4.8%. So should we crack them open and have a go?
After you.
Bit of a funny bottle opener. Have we had a little sniff?
No, we've had sniffed.
We've had a sniff.
I've had a sniff.
Cheers.
Oh,
he's gone in. He's gone in.
Oh.
Go on, let's have a go.
So I like that.
That's nice, huh?
I like that.
I'm not so sure.
No?
Aren't you?
It tastes a bit like.
Now it just stinks.
It's lighter. It's a lighter lager, isn't it? It's not overpowering taste or.
I think it
Now
just tastes a bit like feet.
stinks.
But like feet.
I'm not feeling it whatsoever.
I think it's alright. That.
It just stinks now.
They just use the Stella.
Yeah.
Full of Stella.
He's been having Stella the whole time.
Your taste buds have rotten
I've only had one.
Great.
That's quite nice. That's not for me who don't.
You're not a big-
who don't drink. Yeah,
Not
who
a big beer
doesn't drink,
drinker, are you?
No, that's palatable.
Yeah, I might, maybe should have cleansed my palate before I
Yeah,
got
you need
involved.
some sorbet or something.
Yeah.
I quite like that. I've got to admit I've had this before as well. That's the reason that I got it. Because I was looking through, we get like a list from people, you know, like they obviously comment and say what beers to get. Couldn't find any of them in the shops. I saw this and I thought, oh, we'll try
That's
this.
not bad, though.
So what we going out of 10, boys?
I'd put it in front of that fake Kronenberg we were supping last week in France. So I'd give it a 7.
I was going to
7?
say 7. I'm going to
7
go
out of
with
10?
7.
I'm going to go with an 8 for mainly because I don't drink. And
I'm going for a fruity 5.
A fruity 5. I think I'll go 8 with you, Dan. I think it's a good beer.
I like that. It's not bad.
There's another one which I'll be having in a bit. Because obviously Wayne's not here, so might as well have that.
Happy days.
But yeah, that was the beer of the session. Obviously, you know what to do. Get in the comments, let us know what beer you want us to try. Try and think of some ones that I can buy in a supermarket, because all the suggestions, all these random ones where I've got to go online and pay 30 quid to get one bottle. So we don't like that. Try and think of some that we can get in a supermarket. But yeah, that was a beer of the session. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Vinegar.
Right.
Can I nick a few chips?
Rice and peas.
Indians in. Have you got your chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's
Are they nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on the fire.
I got 3 fish there.
How many? 3.
Yeah.
PB tench.
Huh?
A personal best tench. What was the biggest one?
310.
3.10.
310. Very well done. Oh, it's chilly. Right, back in the bivvy. We've had a Tindian. It was dead nice. Sat around the fire, had a beer. Asked some questions. We did a top 3 of different things: bands, movies, fishing venues, that type of thing. It was good crack. And yeah, we decided to call it a night. It's only 20 past 9, but everyone's just a bit tired, being outside all day, and yeah, it's got dark dead quick. So back in the bivvy. I haven't had anything since the last one that you saw. Not a nibble, not a knock. Rods are out for the night now. Just have to see what happens. Fingers crossed we'll get into something decent. Still chasing that double. It'd be lovely to get. Still plenty of time still until the morning, but yeah, in the morning I'm just going to get up, get packed up and get gone. So yeah, I'm going to get tucked up in the bag. Got kettle on. Maybe put something on my phone to watch, and see what the night brings. Fingers crossed. Morning, campers. Bit of state of that again, nothing to report during the night. Not a single bleep. In fact, I just had a bleep just now. And it's 12 minutes to 8. It's forecast rain, so this could be fun. Got to be off by 11, but I need to be away because I'm out for lunch this afternoon with the family. So I'm gonna have to start getting up sharpish and start thinking about packing away. This could be fun. Wish me luck. packed it up.
Well done to all the boys on their catches. I'm gutted I missed out because it did look a top venue. Don't worry though, Foxy and I have penciled in a date close to the end of November, so we'll be back in full force.
We're also looking to plan a social in early December where you're all invited. Comment and let us know if you're up for it. It'll just be some kind of day session, somewhere local, but it'd be nice to meet you lovely lot. Hope you enjoyed the content, and as always, if you did, smash that like button. If you don't already, hit the subscribe button and click the alarm bell to get notifications when we post any new content. Ciao!